Hello everyone, my name is Abatang Favor and this is Jambite.com. Today we are at the Elsin Foundation Schools, a place for Jamb tutorials. And we're going to be meeting two amazing students. They have been coming for their classes consistently. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. So what's your name? Okay, so what's your name?
Marvelous Ogar.
Good to meet you. So when did you register for Jamb?
This year.
Okay, when?
February.
So how was the process? Was it hard?
It wasn't hard because I just did my thing 1 day. It wasn't hard.
1 day. Okay, so that was like lucky because other people complained that it was very hectic.
It was very hectic for me because
Okay.
I registered. I went to my event very early, so I was able to do my print out that same day.
Okay, so how was your registration process? Registration for Jamb.
It was smooth.
Okay.
It wasn't hectic. It was just good.
So what course did you choose?
I chose medicine and surgery.
Okay. So how about you?
Human nutrition.
Human nutrition. Okay. So are you aware of the recent happening in human nutrition? Why did you choose human nutrition and dietetics?
Because nowadays the society are lacking knowledge about nutrition. Not as if they haven't gotten the idea, but they need to be more enlightened about it.
Okay.
So I just want to
Talk like that. Talk like that.
I just want to boost the knowledge, like do seminars, all these things, like organize programs to enlighten people about.
That's why you chose the course.
Yeah.
Okay, so about you, why did you choose medicine and surgery?
I value life a lot, so I think that's why I chose it.
Okay, you value life a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so how long have you been at home for before you got the Jamb form? How about you?
That was 2017.
Okay, so you've been at home for a while.
Yes.
So what have you been doing with 2 years?
The 1 year, I was with my mom. I helped her in my school. I was teaching myself because she knows the school, she was competitors. And then the other years, like I took Jamb and I was doing other things that I loved doing.
Okay.
So that was just it.
Okay, so which university did you choose?
University of Calabar.
Okay, so how about you?
University of Calabar.
What informed your choice? School. Is it because it's close to you?
Yes, school.
Okay.
Easier
Okay.
to get admission.
So what subject do you pick for your course?
Use of English, biology, chemistry, and physics.
Okay, so how about you?
It's mainly English, biology, chemistry, and physics.
So how prepared are you for the exam?
Like 87% prepared.
87% prepared. Why do you feel you're 87% prepared?
Elsin Foundation has really boosted my preparation for the exams, and I'm very sure that.
So the classes you have been taking has helped you.
So much.
Okay. So how about you? How prepared?
I'm prepared as whatever they've taught me here has been helping me, so I think I'm good to go.
So do you rely only on the center or do you read?
I do read, and it has really helped me. As I read, I come in whatever I don't understand, I'm able to get explanation to what I don't understand. So it's really helping me.
Okay. So do you have access to preparation materials?
Yes, I have the Jamb CBT app on my phone, which I use to learn how to be faster at answering questions, and also have my syllabus.
Okay, so how about you?
About the apps,
Yeah.
I took Jamb, let's say, so I already know about it, so that's no problem for me.
Okay. So are you happy about your decision to further your education in the university?
Yes, I'm happy about it.
Okay. So did you go for the mock examinations?
No, I didn't.
How about you?
I applied for it, but I did not get my location, and I called, but they said if I don't get it, my junior should just sit. And I'm not seeing any other person that wrote it that I would have asked them to know better.
So after the Jamb examination, you're going to be at home for a while. What will you be doing while waiting?
I'm planning on learning tailoring.
Tailoring, okay. So how do you think this is going to relate to human nutrition and dietetics that you want to study?
It might not actually relate. It's just something, an entrepreneurship, something that will keep me going
Okay.
outside.
Okay, so about you, what would you be doing while waiting for admission?
I'll keep doing what I'm doing now, studying. I'll be coming here to my post UTME and other things.
Okay. Okay, so do you have any advice to give to those people out there that think, let me just stay at home, not go for classes, not write mock examination, not do CBT test, last I go pass, Abi?
I have a lot of advice, like simple advice for you, that please look for a Jamb center and come. It's called Elsin Foundation. It's very nice. You can't just sit at home like that. You need to go to somewhere, keep your brain going, keep your brain active. I know you read at home, but actually you need teachers to go to them. It's not everything you're going to understand, so you need a motivator to keep your brain going. Just look for a Jamb center and attend, and it's not too late.
Okay, so what do you have to say to them?
I'll tell them to come over to Elsin Foundation and register.
Okay.
This place is a very nice place. The chemistry here is good. The teacher is actually excellent. He knows how to impact, especially for science students. And then I know that most of you read at home. I do it at home, but like I had some confusions today after reading. So when I came here, he sorted things out and I understood them well. So it's not about you knowing all that means you should stay at home or you're the best or any kind of thing like that. Just try and come here, to get the better knowledge of what you're about to do in life. That's what I have to tell them.
Yeah. So thank you so much for your consent to put this video together for other Jambites. Thank you so much. So guys, if you're watching, grab yourself a lesson center, go and learn, and stop being at home. And so my name is Favor, and this is Jambite.com. Stay tuned. Thank you.